Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Thaniya's Art Grid. So today I'm going to show you some beautiful new model of Mehendi designs collection. So I had collected very stylish floral and Arabic simple Mehendi designs collection for you. So please watch this video till the end. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe for more useful designs and more useful ideas by seeing my videos.
Are you all my personal dreams?
As you can see, these are very beautiful and you can apply these designs at any occasions, festivals and parties. For those girls who love to apply Mehendi designs, this is the best collection for them. And you will find many useful designs, many useful ideas from this video. Which one do you like the most? Please comment down below. And I also collected kids Mehendi designs, bridal Mehendi designs, tattoo Mehendi designs and simple designs. For these designs, please visit my channel. Channel link will be in the description box. As you can see, these are looking so pretty and stunning. Which one do you like the most? Comment down below. In my channel, I had collected different designer collections like sleeve designs, crop top designs, Mehendi designs, stylish tops designs, skirt designs, handbag designs, footwear designs and bridal suit designs. So I hope you really enjoy these type of videos and thank you so much for giving such support and so much love to our videos.
Are you all my personal dreams?
You can form present trendy ideas by seeing my videos. If you want to present trendy ideas, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all our upcoming videos notifications. And don't forget to like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.